Hi, in this video, I want to celebrate Pi Day, which is March 14th, with a simple website that does a few fun things. And by the time you see this video, this website should be up already so that you can go and have a little bit of fun and share it with your friends and have them celebrate Pi Day. But it should also live there for a while. But I don't know JavaScript, or at least it's been a very, very long time since I've programmed it, and so I'm going to lean on Cursor and do some vibe coding here to see if we can get this to work. Now, there's just a handful of simple features here. Number one, there's a countdown that if it's Pi Day, it says hooray. There's a list of jokes that I've used GPT 4.5 to generate. I didn't want it to generate them on the fly, because I wanted to be cheap, but 100 jokes should be enough to where if you click it a bunch of times, you should get a bunch of random jokes. And then also have a list of fun things to do. I did the same thing for fun things you can do on Pi Day, and then after you click a button, there should be some animation. And then a little bit of a supporting script to make this very easy for me to just FTP up into the website when I get that done. And then I actually gave it a little bit extra to say that it can add a little bit of flair. So let's just we got the agent in Claude 3.7 Sonnet. Let's see what happens. Wow, so I'm shooting this the day before, and so this countdown is correct. This actually works. Give me a pie joke, and then it does a random animation. More pie fun. Make a pie-themed sensory bin for children. Create a Pi Day time capsule with technology. Play math bigs. So this actually worked right out of the gate, which I'm pretty happy with. Let's it looks like I think most of the stuff happens in here. It's got like just the hard-coded list. That's good. I didn't want it to pull from the text file, and it's got another hard-coded list. And I wonder what are some additional things we could do for this. Okay, so I had it add the favicon. Definitely wanted it to do that, and I'm going to think of some additional features here. I did try to brainstorm with it. I didn't really like its ideas. Okay, that was stupid easy, so we're gonna add a few more things, and the website should be up, and I believe I've set up the FTP, so we're also going to try that out. Okay, so the SSL certificate is not up and running yet. I just ran the upload, and let's see what, and it works, upload.py. So that's pretty cool to have a simple website, kind of a joke website up like this with no JavaScript experience. I mean, that took, and I was doing other things, that took less than 30 minutes, which is pretty fun. And it's adding some additional things right now, which we can easily push up there with just hitting up enter in our command line. So really curious, go to pitime.fun, and hopefully the SSL certificate will be active by then. I just activated it. I think it usually takes about an hour for that process to go through. And see what we have there, and please play with it and share it. If you enjoy the math and the pie and the fun, please share it. That would be kind of cool. Okay, so it made some cool changes. Let's Python upload, and we'll refresh. It should do some additional things. Oh, there's a parallax rate. Oh boy, Pi digits typewriter. I don't like the parallax. I think we'll remove that. Massive pi confetti. All right. So, sometimes it has trouble removing things with vibe coding, so let's see if we can get it to remove that. Okay, I want to add a feature where somebody can kind of try to see how many digits of pi they can put in, and they get a score equal to that. And maybe after we add this, we can actually save have like a high score leaderboard. Okay, we'll accept this. We will upload it, and we're going to refresh it. High digits typewriter. Start challenge. 1 3.14, 3.142, 3.14, oh, 3.14, 3.141, 3.14159, 26. I think that's all I know. I'm going to add a 4. I don't know. I guess you could always just do the typewriter up there. Maybe we should have it redo, wipe clean the typewriter, and then let's create a leaderboard. Okay, so there's a bit of a cheat sheet here to where somebody can, you know, we can kind of cheat with this here. I mean, people could cheat anyways, obviously. It'd be kind of silly to cheat. It's not like there's a cash prize, but we should have that cleared whenever the challenge is started. And then let's create a leaderboard. And if you go on here and see how many digits of pi you can get, let's not cheat, just for the sake of fun. Okay, that was weird. It really messed things up, and it removed the game, and it completely removed this. So that was weird. Let's see if the restore checkpoint worked. Okay, so we still have the challenge. Let's have it try again. Let's do it one at a time. When the challenge is started. So I'm going to cut this. This should be a pretty simple change. Instead of the word clear, maybe we can name this a little bit better. We're going to see if we set the value of the number to, let's just say 0, when the challenge is started. Sometimes when it comes to vibe coding, you have to understand the limitations and how it deals with complexity, in that it does not do a good job of it. So sometimes you need to give it a much simpler solution that still kind of gets to the same result. Yeah, it goes to 0 and it's not as good as it being blank, but I feel like it's much more likely to be reliable. Okay, so it still has this, so we have the digits. Let's start the challenge. Oh, weird. It's still doing the digits. Okay, interesting. Okay, I'm not feeling great about its ability to do this, but we'll see. Okay, it didn't get that right. In fact, it deleted this, so you can no longer use it. That did not do the correct thing. So we're actually going to go back. We're going to restore the checkpoint. Actually, we'll just let it happen like this. It basically deleted everything before that, which makes this almost more distracting. All right, so let's have it create a leaderboard. We're going to have it say just use a very simple solution to store the leaderboard, and let's see how this works. Don't try to hack this, or I guess if you do, it's, you know, not like crazy information, so whatever. Okay, I am not feeling confident that it's going to be able to do this, but correctly. But let's see what happens here. All right, so we have top pi masters. Let's start the challenge. Let's do 1, submit. We'll do 4. Oh wait, I'm trying to do it. There we go. Joe, 1, submit. Okay, so here we go. Now let's do restart the challenge. 1, 4, 3.141, 5, 9, 2, 6. I don't know more. So 7. I don't know. Joe 2. All right. If we refresh the page, it still keeps that. That's great. That's great. Cool, that works. The SSL certificate still hasn't happened correctly. I thought it would have happened by now. It's been a few hours since I started this video. I had to go do some other things. I think this is pretty fun. Go in and see how many digits of pi you can do, and hopefully you can do more than my 7 here. And we'll see what this leaderboard does. I'm really curious if somebody can come in here and really smash this. And don't cheat, and have some fun here. And if the SSL certificate isn't working, hopefully you still trust me that it's fine. But I should have it working by the time I post this video, because you can see exactly when I'm doing this 10 hours before Pi Day starts. So thanks for watching. If you like it, let me know what you think. Let me know if you think there's any cool features you think I should add to this totally awesome website that really didn't take that long for me to do. That vibe coding definitely really helped me do a lot easier. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.